Is Builder Gel or Biab, and how do I use it? So I want to go into this in today's video and talk to you about Builder Gel, or you may have heard it be referred to as Biab. Hi, my name is Chantel Johnson and you can call me Shan. I've been a nail tech for 20 years. I absolutely love the nail world. I had my own nail studio. Now I'm in education, helping people go from the beginning of their journey all the way through to fully booked, being skilled and confident. And I also create some YouTube videos as well. Today we're going to be talking about Builder Gel. So before we start, I just want to address the elephant in the room. Biab is an abbreviation of Builder in a Bottle. It's also a product from a brand. So there's a brand that called their Builder Gel Biab. So Biab isn't what they're all called. Biab isn't like a generic name for the product. It's the name a brand has used for their Builder Gels. Kind of like how you had vacuum cleaners and then Hoover came along and now people call them Hoovers, but they are vacuum cleaners, and Hoover was the name of a vacuum cleaner from a brand who called it a Hoover. Kind of like that. So there is a brand out there that have a Biab or Biab. I've heard people say it different ways. I actually heard it is called Biab apparently. But that is an abbreviation of Builder in a Bottle. It is still a Builder Gel. So in this video, we're going to talk about Builder Gels. There are loads of different incredible brands that have Builder Gels, and I love Builder Gel. Now, one thing I would like to say in this video is I do feel like a few years ago, Builder Gel was kind of marketed to us as a it can do it all product. Now, don't get me wrong, it's wonderful, but it cannot do it all. And this is why I heavily promote prescriptive manicures. There is not one product that is going to suit every single client you have. And this is why I think educating yourself in prescriptive manicures is so important, because then you will have a product to suit everyone. So you can have your classic manicure, which is your base coat, 2 coats of colour and a top coat. Then I would say you've kind of got some hybrid kind of products that are a little bit stronger, Builder Gels, hard gels, poly gels, acrylics, and they get stronger as they go up. I've done it in that kind of order just to sort of give you a little bit of an idea. And it's very rough again because different brands will have different things, but that is kind of the scale that I go on. And I think it's great to educate yourself in as many of these as possible so that you always have something that will suit a client. Some Builder Gels you'll need a base coat with, some Builder Gels you won't. Some Builder Gels are a thicker viscosity, some Builder Gels are a thinner viscosity. You can get sheer Builder Gels, opaque Builder Gels. They are wonderful. So who are they for and how do we use them? Builder Gel is great for clients who want to grow their natural nails. Maybe you've got a nail biter who wants to grow their nails and they need something strong on there to just stop them from nibbling. It is great because it can take nails from short to like a medium length, I would say. I personally believe that as the nails get longer, you should shift to a stronger product as opposed to adding more product. You may have seen in my other videos, I believe that too much product or thick application is dangerous. It can lead to uncured product, which can lead to allergies. So that is where you would then shift the product, lean into your prescriptive manicure training and use something stronger to hold that longer nail. So for me, for example, I've got a longer nail, so I suit a hard gel as opposed to a Builder Gel. My nails are at that point now where they need something a little bit stronger. So you could have a client that comes to you needing one thing, and then over time they end up needing something a little bit different. As a rule of thumb, so this is just generally speaking, I recommend that once the free edge, so that is the white of your nail, gets to at least half of your nail plate, which is the pink of your nail, you need something a little bit stronger just to reinforce that length. Great for clients who have quite hands-on jobs and need something a little bit stronger. Maybe they've been having a classic gel manicure, they're getting a few breakages and they just need something a little bit harder. Now, it's important to mention that a Builder Gel will not fix your nails or create healthier nails. Think of it like a superhero cape. That is what I refer to it as in all of our courses. Once it's on the nail, it's going to act like a superhero cape. It's going to keep them nice and strong. They'll be able to get them longer. But once that Builder Gel has been removed, they will be in the same condition as they were before. So this isn't like a treatment. It's not going to make your nails stronger, but while it's on there, they will feel stronger. Great for clients who are maybe struggling with retention from a classic manicure and they need something a little bit stronger. The good thing about most Builder Gels is they also have a little bit of flex to them, which is great. So they're strong, but they have that flex. So if your client knocks one or catches one, 9 times out of 10, they'll be okay. You can use it for little repairs. So if you get a little split down the side of the nail, you can use a silk and you can use Builder Gel over the top to reinforce it. Great for repairs and things like that. Great for clients who want a natural looking manicure, but the strength I always champion a nice natural looking manicure. I don't think we need thick chunky nail enhancements, so it's great because you can create that strength without them being thick or chunky. So Builder Gel can come in a bottle like this, and it can also come in a pot. These products are from Nail Order. I love these guys. I love their Angel. Really, really beautiful to work with. Great products. If you use a pot, you're going to apply it with a flat brush. If you're going to use a bottle, I always try to apply it with the brush from the bottle, but you can also decant and use the flat brush if you want to. But yes, these are both Builder Gels. For me, when I'm using a Builder Gel, 3 tips for application would be managing the size of your bead. Like I said, we don't want thick, chunky nails. Utilising a slip layer. Now, I know some brands don't recommend using a slip layer, but with my application technique, I often or always use a slip layer, I should say. Very rare cases that I don't use a slip layer, because I find that it allows you to get the product to work for you. The product will move and blend into your slip layer, giving you a seamless grow out at the back and really enabling you to get that nice structure. Generally speaking, in the UK, a Builder Gel is a soft gel, which means it can soak off. So for people who like to soak off, they can soak off. If you like to whiz it off with an e-file, you can do that too when you are debulking or infilling. So highly recommend getting e-file trained when you're using Builder Gels or hard gels, because it just takes that strain off your body. If you want some more information about Builder Gel application, I can help you. We've got some fully accredited courses down below. Just have a little click, have a little read, and if you have any questions, let me know. And I would love to know your favourite Builder Gels. Let me know down below. I have loads of brands that I love their Builder Gels, but I'm always open to hearing some new ones, so please let me know yours down below. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to speed up your appointment times without rushing, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.